Today we will be cooking. I'm just gonna go a little bit closer. So today, what are we cooking, Mom?
You're not in school, so I gotta do something really quick because I have to work. So this is eggplant. Eggplant has absolutely no flavor, so I gotta flavor it up. So I'm trying to have whatever's in the refrigerator, which I have sausage, right? I think it's turkey sausage, eggplant. Come over here. You got the stairs?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I have, come over here, spaghetti.
Ooh, yummy. What kind are we? Oh, yeah.
Which I'm going to flavor it now. And I'm going to make lo mein. This is olive oil. Here, show the bottle. Olive oil. And all you got to do is flavor it because none of these have flavors. And I'm using ponzu.
Oh, it smells so good.
Ponzu. Here, take a look. Some people use oyster sauce, but I don't like oyster. Oh, that's too much. So sorry, so sorry. And I have leftover in the refrigerator some onions, so which I'm gonna chop. I chopped up.
So these are onions right here.
Yep. So here's the onion. You see that?
Onion. That looks
Onions.
fresh.
It is fresh. Chopped it up. The egg. What is that? The cabbage. I slice it to strips.
There to there.
Yep. And then you already got the eggplant.
Eggplant.
This is an eggplant, but the skin of the eggplant right over here, darling. It is very thick, so that's why I'm roasting it on the stir-fry pan. And I already steamed up some dumplings.
For me!
Because someone loves dumpling to be a topping on top of it. So here's the bag. You can get it from any store, HEB. I pre-chopped. So this is, when you do a camera, baby, you gotta focus, okay? Focus. I know you're eating, but focus. So pasta and all that do not have flavor or color. So look here. I am going to flavor it up and put some color. People eat with what? What do you eat first? With your nose, with your eyes, or with your tongue? Which one do you use first?
Your tongue and your mouth.
No, you use your nose and your eyes. Yes.
To eat?
To eat. Did you know that?
How's it gonna go in your body then?
Well, if it doesn't look good, do you eat it?
Oh, true.
Yeah. So I put olive oil, a little bit of ponzu. Some people use soy sauce. I prefer low sodium, and I just made a waste because it's dripping on the bottom. I could have done this on the stir fry, but I just want to show you what's being done. And pepper and salt and pepper. Okay?
That looks like good fresh salt.
Yep. Right? So now, come back to the stir fry. I have to use both sides. Over here. To the pot. I'm gonna make the heat a little higher. Look up here. Pay attention. Don't touch the hot heat. Did you taste one of these yet? I'm gonna pull one of these out.
I did.
You did. How does it taste?
It's like a lot of flavor to me. And then
This is what happens when I cubed it up. Where is the camera? You see that? And I jacked up the heat. Here, taste that. And tell everybody how does it taste.
oh, that hot.
It's very hot.
Oh. It has a lot of flavor.
Because actually the eggplant does not have flavor.
What?
Are you focusing on the camera and not burning up the face and burning yourself? And a little bit of olive oil because you need to have that little char.
Ooh, that looks satisfying. It looks like a heart.
It's actually a non-stick, but I like it to have a little burnt look to it. You put the onion first because
And then here's the noise.
careful, okay? You put the onion in first because you want to caramelize it. It makes it really sweet. And I put it in order. Can you see my chopboard? That goes first. The next part is the cabbage because we don't waste any part. And this one goes next. It's the best part I like because it's crispy. Then this is salt. So I put this last. So I took it in order.
I like both of those.
How does it smell now?
It smells like it's perfectly.
Honey, focus here. Why are you talking with your hand up and down? People need to see. Now talk. Can you talk and video at the same time? Now reduce the heat because now it's caramelized. You see it? I'm gonna reduce the heat. Look over here. Down here. Medium heat, medium high. You see that? When you show people how to cook, you have to give them all the instructions. Don't get too close. It might, you know, look at yo.
It's 5 minutes.
Keep on going. It's okay. I'm going to upload it, and then you can share it with all your friends, because I have to get back to work. You can edit the video. Look at that. Pay attention. Now, do you like it with color? Because a while ago I said, what do you eat with? Your nose, your eyes, or your tongue?
Eyes and nose.
Eyes.
And tongue for tasting.
Yes, because you have to smell good. How does it smell?
It smells good that you cooked it good and fresh and yeah.
Now focus. Are you focusing?
Yes.
There's just a little bit of garlic. I can use fresh garlic too.
Garlic.
I have a deadline. I have to do a conference call. Oh. Got it? Now, how does it look? It smells good. Now, how does it look?
It looks good.
Now it looks good. You see? Now, if I want it a little bit crispier, but not overcooking the onion, okay? Because we like a little crunch. We want it sweet, right? And I increase it. And notice while I'm doing that, I put the eggplant, I cooked it separately, and the sausage separately, because they all cook at different times. It's all going to the same plate later. The most common mistake that people do is they put it all at once. And so that's why the texture and the flavor is not all there. Each one has its own flavor that brings out. And then when you put together in one bite, that's when the magic happens. But if you put it all together and cook it one time, Lo Mien, because you like to eat lo mein from what's that place that you always like to go
How
by?
does your family create this?
Yeah, how does your family create it, guys? Comment below. So this is the place that you always go eat. So I have to pay what? $12?
Yeah, $12. Like, but it's so good though. It's worth it.
Focus!
I am.
It's so good. Where? Panda Express?
Panda Express, and it has such great food, and even the orange chicken.
Well, I don't have orange chicken, so I made sausage instead because I only use whatever in the refrigerator. I don't have time to go to the store every time. But the cabbage cost me like 49 cents. Onion cost me probably like 30 cents. This thing costs probably $2, and that's about $5. So it's less expensive than me buying it at that place all the time. And I can feed a family of 3, 4, 5 for the exact same amount versus you only feed 2 or 3 people at Panda. Not that I'm, you know, down talking. I love Panda when you're in a rush. But for the same thing that you can make. So do you like yours crunchy or do you like yours softer?
I like them crunchy.
Okay.
And only crunchy, I guess.
Al dente, is that what this is called in Italiano?
Like this looks such like the Panda Express.
Yeah.
Because how it's so brown.
Yeah.
And green.
Okay, so now I'm gonna reduce it because it's halfway, reduce the heat, but it's halfway cooked because I have to put pasta and everything else in. So I don't want to wait until this is all cooked and then put the rest in. It's gonna create the bottom first load like really soggy. You like it crispy, right?
So yeah.
All right. Over here, stay right here, stay focused.
It smells like really good, but it
Now-
doesn't smell the same because there's not a lot of the ingredients in
Right.
it right now, but there will be.
So it looks good. Then right now, while this is cooking, I'm gonna add a little bit. I should be using real garlic, but I don't have time. Yeah. So I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna use the ponzu. This is paprika. There's no flavor or no nutrition to this, but it's just for the eye. You gotta cook with the eye. Because if it doesn't look good, will it get to Will it get to the mouth? No. Look at that. So some
How
people
it
use.
mixes is like, it's so satisfying.
Are you focusing or are you talking with your hands?
I'm focusing.
Okay.
At the same
Go
time.
ahead.
So it's like getting brown at the same time as it's cooking.
Yeah.
And all the things you added is melting-ish, which makes it have more flavor.
Yeah. It's called sweating it. Okay.
And it's like burning up.
Well, it's not burning. Look, look right here, medium
What I
high.
mean by burning up is like heating up.
Okay. So you gotta pay attention, okay? If you don't pay attention, that's when it gets burnt. See, this is the best part. You
9
see that?
minutes.
Keep on going. I'm okay.
This is extra.
I gotta wrap it up. Yep. Now, do you like it more softer than this, or do you want it hard? Keep it like this, you know, because I have to put noodles in next. So then now I gotta take this out. Because the cabbage, you can eat it raw. You don't have to worry.
Of course.
The heat's still on. So I have to make an entire meal in less than 15 minutes to feed my family, get you guys to eat, because I have to get back to
work.
Yep. And you're not in
School.
I don't know why, but it's for your safety, I guess. And you decided to do what, virtual or
And
face-to-face?
you work from home most of the time.
I do, and I have to cook healthy food, right?
For us, because I can't cook. I'm a little kid, and Dad doesn't really cook. He works for us.
He works for you?
And then I learn.
You learn, okay.
I learn so I can be like my mom.
Oh, okay. So you want to be like your dad? Okay, don't have to answer that now. Okay.
I don't know, because I don't know if it's a good reason or...
Oh, okay. You don't have to say it now. Okay. Now I'm going to put some more oil. You see the hot pan?
Ooh,
Yeah.
So what are we putting it on for?
I'm going to reduce the heat because I don't want to get burnt.
Ooh, I'm getting hot.
And it's getting so hot. Ready? Step back a little bit. Got it? Safety first. That's why it's called stir fry. Okay?
It's getting hot. I need it.
Okay, now come back up. So a while ago when I made the noodles, I didn't make it cook all the way. I made it still kind of taste a little hard because I knew I was going to stir fry it. Got it?
It looks so buttery, even though we already added some ingredients
I use
before.
olive oil, not butter.
But it does look buttery then.
Yeah?
Just to let you know, everybody, that it's actually darker than it looks.
It's darker? What do you mean?
So on the camera, it's not really that dark. It looks like it's raw.
Uh-huh.
But actually, it looks like so cooked.
It's so cooked? Okay, so these are halfway cooked. Now, along the way, you can taste it. Don't touch the black part, Pika, because it is going to burn you. I don't have time to take you to the hospital and get you a burn unit, okay?
Okay, that's rude.
Is it rude?
Yes.
Look, would you rather put out fire or would you rather prevent fire?
Prevent.
Prevent. So I'm trying to let you know in advance to prevent it. Here, taste that. It's kind of hot. Focus.
It's actually
How does it taste? Some people...
olive-y.
Olive-y? Too much olive?
Olive oil.
Mmm. Okay.
It tastes like the Olive Garden. Olive
Tastes like
Garden?
Olive Garden?
The restaurant?
Mm-hmm.
Tastes like that kind of pasta.
Yeah, you're right. It's too much oil. I put too much oil in here earlier. You are right. I should have, now it's going to make it soggy. So it's almost done. So what do? Check this part out. Ready? I spread it out because all these are cooked. Some people put eggs, you know. Some people try to take out this fat right here. I keep it because that's where the flavor is. But work out.
Works out either way.
Yeah? I keep this here so I can put all my stuff on so I don't make a mess. See, when the guys cook, sometimes the daddy cooks, they make a big mess. They jump around, they drip everywhere. Look at that. Now remember the dumpling?
mommies,
Yeah?
all they do is just,
All they do? Excuse me.
can I keep talking?
Yeah.
All they do is really keep things nice and
There's your dumpling.
neat.
And I make it on top. Make it neat, okay?
They make it neat, and they don't really mess up a lot.
Okay.
'Cause
How many
once-
minutes are you focusing?
13.
13 minutes. So I made a dish under 15 minutes for you. I pre-made this in the morning. This is really good. Okay.
It's pretty good. Because when I was in the room sleeping, my parents' room, sleeping.
You're napping. All right. Anybody would like to have to try some? So here is your lo mein, and
It
then
looks so good.
yep. And I make a lot of cabbage so that hopefully it's less in carb.
Imagine that we just cook it, bring it to Panda Express and say like, can you, and we say to the owner, here, Panda Express.
All right. So go watch the second video to see how